welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription. They have two boxes which you could purchase monthly or annually. That is their basic, which is what I am subscribed to, and that's 5 full-size products for $27.99 a month plus tax. The other one is a premium, which is 6 full-size beauty products, and that's for $39.99 per month plus tax. And they have a Luxe box, which is their quarterly box, and that is 8 full-size products or more, and that's for $59.99 per month plus tax. Of course, if you sign up for their annual plans, you get a little discount. I got my box pretty late just because I signed up recently again. So that's the reason why my box came now and other people have came sooner. But I've seen people that are regulars and still sometimes get their box now. So it all really depends on where your location is and where the headquarters of Boxycharm is to ship out the boxes. If you're closer to them, you'll get it sooner. If you're further than them, you'll get it later. Anyways, let's open this together and see what I got. So when you first open the box, it'll look like this. You'll get a card telling you what the theme is for the month. So for the month of July, it's status 000. On the back of it, it will have a description of all your products as well as the MSRP on them. Let's see here. So the first thing I caught my eye was these brushes. These are the Eloise Luxury Eyeshadow brushes. It comes in a set in a pack of 4. So let's take a look at them. Sometimes the brushes could be a hit and miss with Boxycharm. I've had ones that are super good and I love them. I still use them till this day. I have some that I already threw away because the bristles would fall out. And these look pretty good, soft. They look like they're intact. And the handle, oh my God, look at you guys. It's like crystal, like, can you see the pink and the purple in it? It's so pretty. And this retails for $22. Next, we have mascara. This is the Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara. By the tube, I could tell it's a volumizing mascara. Yep, it's a volume boosting, lash doubling, insta enhancing mascara. Let's take a look at the wand. Yeah, you guys can see. There's definitely a lot of fibers on there, so I'm excited to try that out. Next is a liquid lip tint. So this is called Treslúce Beauty. I'm sorry if I butchered your brand name. I'm so bad with brand names. And let me see, it looks like it's moisturizer. Yeah, it is a moisturizing lip tint. The color is Darling. Oh, like the packaging. It's kind of simple packaging. Let's swatch it and see what kind of looks like. Yeah, it looks like a nude color. It's a pretty nude color. Ooh, it has a scent to it. It's almost like cotton candy. Yeah, it almost smells like cotton candy. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm very excited for that. Next is an eyeshadow palette. This one is from Phase Zero. Let's see. It has 8 universal matte shadows. Okay, so it's a matte palette. I haven't got an all matte palette for a long time. Usually it's mixed with shimmers and stuff. It says it delivers smooth, high blendable color designed to create a soft blendable look. It retails for $40. Cute packaging, just simple. Let's open it up. Oh, you guys, look. It's definitely matte. The colors look kind of light. Let me swatch a few of them. Oh, it looks kind of chalky though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm swatching it and I'm seeing some of it like fallouts already. Yeah, I already see some fallouts. but it's really pretty. Let's take a shimmer too. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see the chalkiness, but definitely has some in there. But it's such a pretty nude palette though. I hope it does blend very nicely, because on my arm it kind of looks really chalky. That kind of makes me worry. Okay. Well, next we have, oh, skincare. So when I did the questionnaire from Boxycharm, they ask you if you prefer eyeliners more, or lip liners, or lipsticks. I always say I prefer skincare the most, just because I love skincare. You know, you can never get enough of skincare, especially serums. This one is from Juice Beauty. It's the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I've heard of this brand, but I have never used their product, so I'm excited to use it. It's supposed to glide on smoothly and leave skin super hydrated. And it retails for $72, which is a good buy. I'm excited to try that. I have really sensitive skin, so I tend to just use a little bit on my face and see if I break out. If I don't, great. If I do, then it goes in the trash. But that, oh wait. Oh, they gave me extra item. Okay, so sometimes Boxycharm would have a promotion where if you, you know, sign up with them again, they will give you a free product. And I guess like I totally forgot about, had an option of a free product, but they didn't give me an option to pick out my free product. So I just guess they threw this in here. But this is Dr. Brandt's Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. I haven't used this brand either, so I'm excited to try it. I've heard of it. Good size. Was it 1.7? Usually they're 1.7. It's for all skin types. Triple antioxidant smoothing moisturizer. Okay, I'll give this one a try. So that's my box. So I got 5 items plus the bonus. I paid $27.99 a month for this box, and I just added up everything, and it retails, if I bought everything at, for example, at Sephora, it would be $184, and I only paid $27.99, which is a stellar deal. If you guys want to try new products, I highly recommend subscribing and give it a try. It is monthly, so you can cancel after your first box if you don't like it. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching my unboxing. Till we talk again. Goodbye.